welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and this year for our summer reading program, we have the theme Oceans of Possibilities. So, sticking with that theme, we're going to come to you this summer with books that feature recipes that highlight some of the cuisine from around the sea. Now, today we have Donna Shields' Caribbean Light, cooking with the flavor of the islands without all the fat. Now, we have many cookbooks at the library that advocate different diet and lifestyle choices. We are not healthcare professionals, and we do recommend before you make any major diet changes, you check with your doctor. But today, we're going to enjoy banana lime fizz. Let's get started. To make our banana lime fizz, we'll start by adding 1 large ripe banana, half a cup of ripe diced mango. You could also use papaya, peach, nectarine, or berries. And half a cup of limeade from concentrate to our blender. And we'll puree this until it's smooth. Then we'll pour it into our glasses that are already filled with ice cubes. And we'll top that off with a little bit of club soda. We've got about a half a cup here that we're going to split between our 2 drinks. And just give that a little bit of a stir. And we'll garnish each glass with a lime slice. Cheers! We hope to see you soon at the library this summer. Enjoy your tropical drink by the pool.